I have a caller. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Naam. Name, state, and question, please.
This is Adan. I'm calling from Indiana.
Yes, Sister Adan.
My question is, I have family in Pakistan who give water and food to the Julus that come during 10th Muharram. And I have tried to give them dawah, but they say that this is the tradition of our forefathers and we will continue this till from generations to come.
Clear.
My question is it permissible to make their house a pit stop to facilitate the beating of the people who are the Shia people?
Got you. Very clear. Jazakallah khair. Sheikh Asim, our sister from Indiana is asking. She's originally from Pakistan, and I guess there is a number of Shia living in her town, and they held these beating up themselves. I don't know what they call them. I forgot. Ceremonies.
In Arabic, tatbir. In Arabic, we call it tatbir.
Tatbir. And basically, the family provides water for them, as if they. What is the ruling on that? She tried to advise them that this is not something that they should do, but they say this is a family tradition and we want to keep up with it. What is your take on this, Sheikh?
Whoever assists these people in their innovation that is not at all related to Islam, they are assisting on sin, and they will share with these people the sin because they helped them, they contributed and facilitated it for them. The funny thing is that Allah says in the Quran, if you guys believe in the Quran, الْيَوْمَ أَكْمَلْتُ لَكُمْ دِينَكُمْ, today I have completed your religion, which is Islam, that was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salatu wasalam. Question: was the religion of Islam completed at the time of the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam? The answer is yes. Question: whatever came afterwards, among it hitting yourself with the knives and with the chains, etc., and bleeding like that, is it part of the religion or not? If it's not, then excuse me, you need to change your religion. This is not Islam. If you claim it is, then you are saying that the Quran is telling us lies because the religion was not completed. And let them answer this question, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair.